Sun Country 261 Tower?
Sun Country 261.
Okay, so the issue is you got a later flow time. I'll have to bring you down the runway and put you back in line. We can't use the other side whiskey, though, because of the ILS critical. So just plan to probably taxi down the runway until at least probably Alpha 3.
Copy, Sun Country 261 last one.
I got one more arrival on like a 2-mile final, and I'll plan to do it then.
Copy.
American 2406.
American 2406 Minneapolis Tower, continue. Traffic's going to hold in position. Expect clearance on about a 2-mile.
Delta 68.
Wind is 040 at 7. Delta 1163, you're right behind Sun Country, yeah?
Affirm, 1163.
Delta 1163, just stick right behind Sun Country. They're going to taxi down the runway, but I want to put you in position and have you ready to go.
1163, roger.
Sun Country 261, taxi on to runway 30 left, exit right turn at Alpha 3.
Section 30 left, exit Alpha 3, Sun Country 261.
Delta 1163, runway 30 left, be ready to go. Traffic's 5 out, 737, wind 0406.
Delta 1163, line up to wait, 30 left.
Delta 9975, turn right and connect ground point 9.
Right turn ground point 9, Delta 9975.
So I'm going to 261, just give me your best rate down to there if you can, please.
Copy, Sun Country 261.
Delta 1163, just be ready to go.
Delta 1163.
Delta 1163, no delay on the roll. Fly runway heading, runway 30 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, fly runway heading, clear takeoff 30 left, Delta 1163.
American 2406, clear to land, runway 30 left, traffic's rolling now, wind 0407.
Call in, American 2406.
American 2406, go around right side, runway 30 left.
Yeah, 2406 on the go.
Delta 1163, turn left heading 260.
260, Delta 1163.
American 2406, I thought you were going on the right side, sir.
You said left side? Sorry.
American 2406, turn left heading 280.
280, American 2406.
Delta 1163 on the 260 heading connect departure.
260, departure, Delta 1163.
American 2406, contact Minneapolis departure on 124.7.
24-7, American 2406.